first graders, we are back with your math lesson, and today we're going to talk about fact families, okay? So let's get started with that. Okay, so fact families are three numbers that we can put together in addition and subtraction number sentences. Okay, so my first fact family I'm going to do is for 4, 5, and 9. Okay, so first I want to do my addition portion of my fact family. In my addition portion, I'm going to take my two smallest numbers, 4 and 5, and those are the ones that I'm going to add. 4 plus 5 equals my biggest number, 9, because we know when we add, we get a bigger number. Okay? So now I can switch these around and they still equal 9. Okay, 4 plus 5 equals 9, but 5 plus 4 also equals 9. Wowza. Okay. Now we need to do our Okay, so when we do our subtraction facts, we start with the biggest one. Okay, so 9 is our biggest number, and we subtract one of our smaller numbers from it, and we get the other number. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4. So now for our other subtraction fact, we're going to take 9 again with our biggest. We always have to start with our biggest in subtraction. And then we've already subtracted 5, so let's put 4 this time. And what's that going to equal? You got it, 5. So this is my fact family for 4, 5, and 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, so let's try another one. Alrighty, let me erase, and I've got the numbers already right there that we are going to use. So we're going to use 7, 3, and 10. Okay, so remember, when we're doing our addition facts, which do we start with? The two smallest or the biggest? You got it. Addition facts, we start with the two smallest numbers. 7 plus 3 equals 10. And the commutative property of addition tells us we can switch their order. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And we get the same thing. So 7 plus 3 is 10 and 3 plus 7 is 10. We can flip these and they can be opposite and still equal 10. All right, what do we start with for our subtraction? We always need the biggest number first. 10 minus 7 equals 3. And we can switch the two small numbers around and get that answer. 10 minus 7 equals 3, and 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay, so our fact families help us know something. Okay, and we've talked about this before, but sometimes we have a hard time with subtraction in first grade. Okay, but if you know the addition, you can do the subtraction. Okay, if we know 7 plus 3 is 10, and 3 plus 7 is 10, when I go over here, I can look right here, and I can say to myself, 7 plus what equals 10? And I remember it's 3. Good job, okay, and I can do the same thing here. I can say to myself, 3 plus what is going to equal 10? You know it, it's 7, guys. Okay. So those are our fact families, guys, and that is how they can help us with subtraction. Then we know our answer plus the number right in front of the minus equal sign. We can add together to get that biggest number, okay? You guys have a great week, and we'll see you next week. Bye.